Hey y'all, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Beautyforever. So just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check below for links and details. This is what the wig looks like. The knots really look good. So this wig already came with pre-cut lace. It also came with bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline. So like I said, the only thing I did to this wig was wash it just so the curls can be more defined. Even though the curls, when you get them straight out of the packaging, they're a little bit more crimpy, tight, not as defined and loose. I do love the fit of this wig. It fits really good. Yeah, the fit is nice, and you see, like, once you wash it or define the curls and let it air dry, you don't have to really worry about much but just putting the wig on, honestly. And look how it looks, y'all. It's so pretty. So this is what the lace looks like. This is what the lace looks like. I think that I'm going to tack down my lace with some got to be glue, but if you wanted to wear this wig glueless, you could. Of course, this wig is glueless, y'all, and it's not going anywhere. Like, it's really secure. So see, y'all, that just looks so much better. So much better. I feel like there's some straggly pieces that could possibly be cut, but we're not gonna mind that. Like, I don't know, I'll deal with it later. But this is what the bag looks like. This wig, let me just say, is very, very, very natural, y'all. It looks so good. Alright, I think this is pretty much a dry. Y'all, if y'all looking for big, curly, natural looking hair, I highly recommend this. I love the curls on this wig. But yeah, y'all see this? So this is what it looks like on the side, y'all. This is some natural curly, just, it is so pretty, and I'm sure it would get bigger than this if you keep plucking it and, you know, messing around with it. But I probably don't need this to get any bigger. Yeah, y'all let me know which one y'all like better, middle part or side part. Honestly, the hair is so pretty, it doesn't matter if it was a middle or side part to me. I like both, to be honest with you. But either way, this is a 7x5. So the lace do come down further enough for you to get a deep side part if you wanted to. I just kind of flipped it over a little bit. It's not really a set side part, but yeah, and the hairline is really, really nice. I like the hairline better once I sprayed got to be glue on it and laid the lace down versus having it glueless. But I do feel like if I manipulated the lace a little bit more, then I probably would have liked it, the lace glueless. But I don't know, I just felt like it blended in better once I put the got to blue. I put the got to be on the lace. But yeah, And like I said, it is some straggly pieces that I probably would have to cut, but then again, it's probably not as, you know, defined as the other one, so it's kind of hanging. We'll see. So yeah, I think that this video was pretty quick, simple, and straight to the point. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And if you're interested in purchasing this wig, or you're looking for a kinky curly wig, definitely check out the links down below. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.